Hello Standard 8, welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today is the third video of the chapter 2.1 Vocation Unit 2. We are going for the workshop. So let's start with the workshop. The first, they have given the words and phrases. We have to choose from the given words and phrase to matching properly with the sentences. Yes, they have given us 6 words and phrases. We have to match it with the sentence and you have to write the sentence, rewrite the sentences. Yes, we'll start with the first. Nobody takes him to task. That is the first sentence in your test book. So you have to choose the answer from this. Like nobody scolds and corrects. The meaning of takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun. So if he gets exposed to heat. Chasing the shadow with my lantern. So what does it mean? Changing the following imaginary goals with my lantern. Fourth one, the lane is dark and lonely. The lane is deserted. Next one, he soils his clothes with dust. He dirties his clothing with dust. You have to construct it. There is no road he must take. So there is no particular route. So this completes the first one. Second one, read the poem and fill in the blanks. So the time of the day, these are the various points. It changes according to the time, like morning, evening, morning, afternoon and night time, right? And then you have to choose the location, activity and the hawkers activities, gardeners activities and watchmen's activities. So now first is morning. The location is lane in the street light. Poet's activity, he is going to the school. At that time he finds the hawker walking around selling bangles by advertising them out loud. So this is the morning time. So gardener's activities is nothing and watchman's activity is nothing at that time of the day, right? Because gardener comes, he meets the gardener in the evening time, that is while coming back. So now the first is morning time and it is hawker's activity, right? So now we'll go for the next one. That's afternoon time. Location is garden. The poet is returning from the school. At that time he finds the gardener digging the ground with his spade, soiling his clothes, getting baked in the sun and getting wet also. And at the night time, the location is street. Poet is going to the bed. At that time he finds that the watchman is walking up and down in the street with the lantern in his hand and he keeps a watch. Right, so these are the 3 time of the day and the activities of hawkers, gardeners and watchmen. Now this is answer the following in your own sentences. So this is the example which I am giving. You can construct the sentence in your own way. What could be the age group of the speaker in the poem? The age group could be 8 to 10 years old. What is the difference between hawker and a shopkeeper? Hawker, he sells his things from door to door, while the shopkeeper, he sells them in the own shop. How do parents react when they see the children soil their clothes in the dust and the heat? Of course, the parents, they want the children. They just want the children. First of all, they will ask the children that you don't do this way. They concern about the health. They could dirty their clothes. Second time, they warn the children not to repeat the same thing in the future. And third, it is that they will not allow the child to go out to play. Yes, now the health comes first. So these are the things which the parents react, how they react when they see the child gets dirty. Now, why is the street light compared to one red-eyed giant? Of course, why? Because the big lamp, the huge lamp, the lamp post which keeps watching, it feels like that passing everyone down and the light is only shining at that time, right now. So it feels like a giant is standing only with one eye. Yes, it keeps a watch who are passing that way. It's an imaginary thing which is been said by the poet about the lamp. What exactly does the speaker in the poem carve for? Actually, the poet carve for the freedom. Freedom from the restriction. The poet here is Rabindranath Tagore. He himself did not like to go to school when he was a kid. Right, he wanted freedom and that's why he had constructed this poem where he feels that the little children don't like restriction. They want to do what they want, their heart desire. So that's the answer from this passage. One more is that last one is remaining. Does the poet really wish to become a hawker, garden, watchman? No. Justify your answer. Give reason. No, the poet doesn't want to become a hawker, gardener or watchman. He just wants freedom from all the restriction. He wants to do what his heart desires. He doesn't like any restriction, and that's why he just sees, he just feels, I want to become hawker, gardener and watchman. Real in the life he doesn't want to become. He just want a freedom. That's all about this poet. Now that's a short note. Say why the speaker of the poem wishes to be a hawker. So the hawker, the speaker, he is nothing. Why? Because why he doesn't want to, why he wants to not, sorry, why he wants to become a hawker. Why? Because the hawker is not in a hurry. There is not a fixed road he has to travel. He can go anywhere. Yes, he can get back anytime he wants. And the main thing, he feels that, the speaker feels that the hawker is a very lucky person. Why? Because no one is there to put restriction on him. He can free to go anywhere, anytime to come out. No restriction. So that's what. Now next is gardener. Yeah, the speaker in the poem feels that the gardener is nearby digging the ground. He is working with the spade. He is free to play in the or work in the mud, bake in the sun, get wet. Nobody is there to scold. He enjoys, the gardener enjoys the freedom without any restriction. Yes, the main theme of it, the poem is about the freedom. Now the last one, watchman. So the watchman, the speaker, he is in the bed even while sleeping. He sees that the watchman is walking in the night. Children are restricted to go out in the night. They were supposed to sleep in the bed right now. And the child wants to roam here and there. No one is there to do anything. No restriction. That's why he wants to become a watchman. Because sometimes we feel that we don't want to sleep so early. We want to watch TV. We want to do this. We want to do that. Right? But that is not the case. You are not allowed to do it. Right? You have some of the restrictions, some of the rules, some of the protocols. You have to follow it. So now next one is you have to pick out the lines that contain alliteration, simile, repetition, onomatopoeia. Alliteration. Here the word you will find that W. You can see I is repeated, or you can also say that W is repeated. The sound should be same. Gardener digging the ground, GG. Nobody takes him to task, Turtle. There is nothing to hurry him up, hurry him, H. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning. Right, the 10. Yes, so this is the 5 examples of alliteration. You have to copy it down. Alliteration where the sound is repeated. Simile where the comparison is done. Repetition where the words are repeated. Onomatopoeia where the sound is repeated, you can say. Yes? So very important figure of speech you have to remember. Here this comparison. See the word like has come. You can see the street lamp is compared to the giant. Repetition. The words are repeated. Bangles are repeated. Right? Onomatopoeia. The sound. Gong. Gong means the ringing of the bell. So there the sound is repeated. So I'll just pause it up. The remaining thing you have to do your self study. Yes, but this I will explain you out. Only this point I will explain you out. What is the meaning of free verse? Yes, what is the meaning of